Hey everyone! Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to an absolute game changer in personal transportation, our high-performance electric scooter. It packed with a powerful 1,000-watt hub motor, this beast delivers unbeatable speed and torque, making uphill climbs and long commutes a breeze. Whether you're cruising through city streets or exploring off-road paths, this scooter's got the muscle to take you anywhere with ease. It also comes with a 60-volt 20 Ah lithium battery that offers an impressive range on a single charge, perfect for daily commutes or weekend adventures. No more worrying about frequent recharging. Plus, with fast charging technology, you'll spend less time waiting and more time riding. It also have a NFC function, so it can be started without a key. It's more convenient for the riders. And here's the fun part, customization. Want a scooter that matches your style? Choose from a variety of colors to make it truly yours. Whether you prefer sleek black, vibrant pink, or any other shade, as a manufacturer, we have comprehensive upgrades and provide full customization service. Safety and compliance? We've got you covered. This scooter is EEC certified, meaning it meets strict European standards for quality, safety, and environmental impact. You can ride with confidence, knowing your scooter is road legal and built to the highest standards. So, if you're looking for power, endurance, and a touch of personal flair, this electric scooter is your perfect match.